I never metaphor I didn't like. What up, it's Dalaney Davis. I want to share with you one of my favorite things in thought leadership is metaphors, helping us land the plane in whatever concept we're sharing. Now there's clichéic metaphors like the classic iceberg, then there's the more image-related ones like a hamburger, the personal anecdotes that I like to share around cooking, that everything's like a recipe and entrepreneurship is the ultimate way to cook and experiment. And of course, the ultimate metaphor is one that aligns with your model you've created. These are the 4 different types of metaphors we can create to help land the plane. Not expand our ideas, but help land them. Because it helps connect our new concept we're sharing, our new idea, to something that people already understand, to something people can already visualize and go, oh yeah. Metaphors are the aha. The information is the oh. Love your work, D.